I made a mistake. This is not my Grammy's violin, because the guy said it's at least 120 years old. This is my great grandfather, Napoleon Loubier from Canada's violin. He said it is at least 120 years old. And I seem to recall my mom saying it was Grampy Luby's at one time, and I somehow got in my head that it was Grammy's, my Grammy Ida, because she played it too, but this is his. So it's not 100 years old, man. It's at least 120 years old. And he did such a good job. He did that. He cleaned it all up, see? And those are the new pegs. And they have gears inside of them. He tuned it all up for me, and he sold me this thing because I was like, I want one of those, because he had one on it when he was demonstrating. Now Jennifer's gonna get back into it. He told me to practice the G scale, and I've got a couple beginner books, and so I can. Now all I need is a corncob pipe, because I've got a rocking chair, free swivel rocking chairs from the transfer station. I had a corncob pipe once. Robert was laughing at me. Granny Jen and her fiddle and a corncob pipe. Come on down. We're going to party in my cabin tonight. 120-year-old violin. That was my great-grandfather's. How about it? All right, I got to do some errands. I got to go get my Victrola fixture exchange, because that's pissing me off, and visit with my girlfriend for a while because she wants to buy that tablecloth. All right. Later, Gators.